the subscribers had grown to 142 million. Now, if you begin to think about what 152 million subscribers is, that you're providing a service, you are connected to 142 million almost on a daily basis. This is phenomenal. And this has happened due to the work that has been done by Phuthuma and indeed the other executives. And I've thought quite a bit what it is that drove this man to the level of performance that he has given your company, this company. And as I thought a little bit, I arrived at 10 attributes. The one was that as he came in as a non-executive chairman and was catapulted to the position of chief executive, some of us who sat near the ring side seats of this arena that he was performing on could see that a vision was developing. A vision, he had a vision and became quite a visionary person and in the end a visionary leader. And this is what he was able to give this company. Focus, being focused was one of the attributes that some of us saw, and then I think indeed the performance speaks for itself. The one other important one, which many of us who have worked with Phuthuma that we saw, was that there was an element, a huge element of hard work. Hard work and driving himself consistently and persistently on an ongoing basis. I had some people who were doing some work for me. I digress a bit. And the one guy who was supposed to do this work during the day decided that he was just too tired and he wanted to sleep. And he went and slept under a tree. And it happened to be in a place where there are snakes and dangerous animals. And I said, well, some people do take quite serious risks to indulge in their leisure, to sleep and not to work. Fortunately, we didn't have that with Phuthuma. He didn't sleep in dangerous places. So he remained focused and he worked hard. And the other important attribute is that he was able to build a good team of people around him. And I think you can all see that MTN is well endowed with good people. We have good people in MTN. They work hard, they're focused. One of our directors was commenting yesterday as they came into the building. They said, this is a phenomenal achievement. Here we have people in this huge building who are going around like ants. Ants don't sleep on the job, they work. And this is what we have in MTN. And this is largely due to the leadership that Phuthuma has given to this company, that he has built a really good team of people around him who work hard. The other important thing, of course, which I think many of us saw, was that Phuthuma has had a good appetite for taking calculated risks. He was able to take us as a company to a number of markets where many people would have feared to go. And that's a mark of a good leader. Take calculated risks. And I recall that each time at the board level, he would come with proposals together with his other executives. And sometimes we would think that this guy needs to have his head read. But as he outlined the proposals of why we should go into various countries, Iran and all that, in the end we saw good sense with all of that. Resilience was one of the important attributes. Even as sometimes we face setbacks and some failures, with some of the transactions that we wanted to conclude, as you well know, Phuthuma and his executives kept going forward. Each time there was a setback, they would come back with a new one. And that is an important attribute in a leader. And the one other important one which underpins Phuthuma's character is doing things in an excellent manner. Excellence has underpinned nearly everything that he has done for us as a company, and we thank him for that. The last two are attributes that really belong to him as a person. Honesty, he's been very honest in the way that he has dealt with the board, in the way that he has dealt with his other colleagues, and that for us has been a very, very important attribute. But the most important and the one that I like most is that he's a modest person. He's been a CEO who has led his troops, his colleagues, with a great deal of modesty. No razzmatazz, no fleshiness, but really modest. And in paying tribute to him and urging him to continue throughout his life with modesty, I've decided that we're going to give him a modest gift. I'm going to give him a modest gift. Phuthuma, as you well know, loves beautiful ties, like me, but this is a very nice MTN tie. It's a bit on the modest side. I don't even know who makes this tie. It's one of those, won't read the name. It's a modest tie, and we would like him to wear this tie. Phuthuma, I don't know how often you should wear it. Quality is modest. Quite Well, I'd like to give him this tie and urge him to wear it at the very least once a month.